Welcome back to Auto Review, where we bring you the latest in automotive design, technology, and performance. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Honda Accord, a sedan that continues to set the standard for midsize cars. With its refined styling, cutting-edge technology, and improved efficiency, the new Accord is here to impress. Let's start with the design. Honda has given the Accord a more sophisticated and aerodynamic look. The front grille is sleeker, with a bold yet elegant design that seamlessly integrates with the LED headlights. The side profile remains clean and well-proportioned, giving it a premium appeal. At the rear, the LED taillights have been redesigned for a modern touch, while the sloping roofline enhances its sporty presence. The 2025 model manages to look both athletic and upscale, making it a standout in its segment. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed for comfort and technology. Honda has upgraded the materials, offering soft touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and a redesigned dashboard layout. The centerpiece is the new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims offer a fully digital instrument cluster and an available head-up display. The Accord also comes with a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system, ensuring an immersive sound experience for passengers. When it comes to practicality, the Accord remains one of the best in its class. The spacious interior provides ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, making long journeys comfortable. The trunk offers 16.7 cubic feet of cargo space, one of the largest in its category, ensuring you have enough room for luggage, groceries, or anything else you need to carry. The rear seats also fold down to allow for extra versatility when transporting larger items. Under the hood, Honda offers two powertrain options. The standard model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine producing 192 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth and efficient performance. For those seeking more power and efficiency, Honda continues to offer a hybrid variant with a 2.0-liter engine and dual electric motors, delivering a combined output of 204 horsepower. The hybrid model not only offers impressive acceleration but also boasts outstanding fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for those looking to save on gas. Safety remains a priority for Honda, with the 2025 Accord coming equipped with the latest Honda Sensing suite of driver assist features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. With these features, the Accord ensures peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. As for pricing, the base model starts around $28,000, while the top-tier hybrid trims can go up to $38,000, depending on features and packages. For the level of technology, comfort, and efficiency it offers, the Accord continues to provide excellent value. The 2025 Honda Accord stays true to its reputation as a reliable, stylish, and high-tech sedan. With its refined design, advanced technology, spacious interior, and impressive performance, it remains one of the top choices in the midsize sedan segment. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family car, or an efficient hybrid option, the Accord has something for everyone. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Honda Accord. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest cars. Thanks for watching Auto Review, and we'll see you in the next video.